Now let's talk about mean, median and mode. So these three topics are actually related to statistics, not the things from probability. But then we don't have statistics specifically mentioned in the syllabus, but these three topics are included in the probability. Even if you look at the previous gate question papers, till now no question has been asked from this topic, but since they have mentioned it in the syllabus and it is a very small topic, let's finish it off. So it will not take a lot of time, you just watch it. Okay, so mean, median and mode, this is the topic. Mean, median and mode. So what is mean, median and mode is, all of them are some kind of averages. So if you have a collection of data, if you have certain readings, let us say you have conducted some experiment, and you have conducted the same experiment some 15 times, 20 times. Now you want to find out the average. Then there are various useful methods. One thing is, you might be interested in the average called mean. So I'll just take an example and explain it. Let us say when you conduct an experiment 5 times, the outputs turned out to be like this: 2, 3, let's say 1, 5, 4. Okay, now if this is the number of readings that you have collected, then what is mean is, you have to add all these readings and then divide it by the number of readings. So which means 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4 divided by 5, that is the mean. Alright, and what is the median is? Median is, generally you are supposed to sort out the readings, and whichever value falls exactly in the middle, then that is called as median. So which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have sorted it out, and whichever falls in the middle, that is called as the median, which means in this case this one is called as the median. And the next one is mode. So mode means, if any value has appeared more than once, or most frequently occurring value is generally called as mode. For example, assume that we have 2 again here, we conducted 6 times. Let us say this is the 6 times we conducted the experiment, and these 2 are discussed for 5 times, which means for the first 5 values. But while coming to the mode, let us assume that we got this data. If this is the data, then what will be the mode is, if you try to put them together, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, you need not sort it actually, but then I am trying to sort it so that you will see some numbers repeating there. So 2 is repeated 2 times, so this is the reading which is most frequent among all the readings, therefore mode is 2 in this case. Got it? So mean means sum them up and divide by the number of readings, median means sort them out and take the middle value, and mode means you take the frequently occurring value. Got it? Now what we shall do is, we will take some examples and we will see what if there are 2 values in the middle, what if 2 values are repeating, 2 values are most frequent values. Like that, we shall see all the cases by taking some examples. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.